All right, everybody, good luck. This is a two-box break here for pick your team for Panini Clear Vision. The ID number on this one is CVFB202 and 203. So here we go, guys. We're going to go ahead and get both of these open. Yesterday, I was a happy camper, man. We had a Giants box, got an Odell Beckham patch and a Lawrence Taylor patch yesterday. Out of one of the boxes that we opened up. I am a big blue fan, so that was all right by me. All right, everybody, good luck to everybody. Good luck to everybody. Again, it's pick your team break, guys. They are listed over there on the side. Got Eric Decker there for the Jets. Give me 1 second there, folks. Robert H., that one's coming out to you. Got a Detroit Lions hit here. Vinny G, take a look at this. Y'all been talking about him. Amir Abdullah there, guys. That card is numbered 2 of 25. 2 of 25. You guys been talking about him. Look at that. Look at that. Touchdown there. 2 of 25. You guys talked him up. Dante Moncrief there. And yes, guys, that is a touchdown. That is a touchdown there. Our first one out here, you got Matt Ryan. Again, here goes another Amir Abdullah. And then Jerick McKinnon there. Got Joe Montana here, guys. San Francisco 49ers, Michael S. And then here you go, guys. This is the stained glass there. Clear vision stained glass. Joe Montana again, San Francisco 49ers. Michael S. there. That's a shot for you. Here goes Doug Flutie. Jersey, I got you. I just got to grab it each time. Got Mark Ingram there for the Saints there, guys. Next up, you guys been talking about this one as well. San Diego Chargers, Vinny, Melvin Gordon there. Variation 2 of 10. 2 of 10 there, guys. On the variation on Melvin Gordon. Yet another touchdown. So again, guys, y'all were talking about Gordon. You were talking about Abdullah, and they have showed up so far. Got Dan Marino there, Miami Dolphins, Dave R. Look at this, guys. Look at this here. Trey Mason, St. Louis Rams, Dave R., 95 of 99. There's your patch. 95 of 99 there, guys. Now let's talk about Mariota or Winston. And there you got Peyton Manning there, guys. Got Keenan Allen, Aguilar there. I had a pleasure meeting this guy, Ben Roethlisberger. Got Vincent Jackson there, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Ryan R., that one's yours. Here we go, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. St. Louis Rams owner Dave R. That card is numbered to 50, 46 of 50. Look at the Dickerson auto there, guys. Look at the Dickerson auto. Wow. 46 of 50 there, guys. Dave R., that one's coming out to you. You got your Wes Welker here. We had that happen yesterday. Yeah, people say this stuff is not good. I don't know what they're talking about, man. Look at that. Thurman Thomas there for the Bills. Dave R. on that one. Here we go, guys. Who was talking about Tyler Lockett earlier today? 12 of 25 there for Seahawks owner Scott O'Neal. 12 of 25. Tyler Lockett there. That also is a touchdown. And then John Brown. Got Aaron Rodgers, followed by Brett Hundley. The next one out here, Russell Wilson. Tony Romo. Jamison Crowder here, guys. And then next up, Trey Mason. Yeah, I don't know if the rip your pack of Clear Vision is going to happen or not, though, there, Chief. You got Joe Namath there, guys. Next one up here, we have Clear Vision there. Clear shots there for Drew Brees. That is Saints owner. Jonathan W. there, Wolfie. There goes your Drew Brees card there, sir. That card is not numbered. Last out of that one there is Deion Sanders. That is not a touchdown, my man. That is not a variation. Believe it or not, that is actually the base card for that one. Demaryius Thomas there, guys. Here we have what I like to refer to as the paperweight. There is the base for the clarity. Giants owner Dave R. there with the Odell Beckham clarity. And again, guys, look at the thickness of that card there. Just like to see what you guys are getting there. And then last one out of this one here, Le'Veon Bell. Pittsburgh Steelers owner Dave R. All right, guys, that is going to do it for box ID number CVFB202 and 203 of Clear Vision.